Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to do Chloe's Christmas poinsettia. Another one of my favourites. They're all my favourites, but this is my Christmas favourite. And I'm going to use azalea pearl paper. So, I've got Chloe's, that's the gem that's going to go in the middle. I've stuck it on the top so I didn't lose it. This is Ice Princess. It's the first time I've used this one. It's a lovely one, lovely and shiny. Not sure if I like it on the pink, but I'm going to do it again on the pink. I think another colour might be better on a plain white or something, or maybe blue even. But, so, I've stamped them all out. I've just used the opaque white for this one. And I'm just going to use my pokey tool. I'm going to go in on the corner, just because I find it easier to do it, just on a little shaping mat, and just push it like that, and then squeeze it together and just lift them up like that, and do that on all of them. And just turn them around. Just lift the petals up. Just be careful when you're doing it that your point doesn't go through. Doesn't matter too much if it does. Just fold them up. And then get your art glitter. Move your shaping that out of the way. And just bring in. And with this one, I still use my tweezers. And literally, you're just going to go down the middle. Straight down the middle of all of them. Just follow the white in the middle. And all of them. The bend won't match the crease in the flower, so ignore the crease, you're following the white. The wow powder. It's not too much on this one, can't really see on there. Okay, now pop that back in. Oh dear, I can't see it, there it is. And literally, I'm just going to throw it all over. That. Once it's in, you can sweep it up if you think that there's a little bit more that you want. Just pop it on. I think that's okay for that. That's quite a that only got a little few dregs, that one, but it's okay. This one's going to be quite a quick flower, I think, everyone. Now, the art of getting it back in. Remember, hold this, tap your jar. Not too much of a spillage. Right, that's that. And then bring your shaping mat back in. And of course, I'm going to have to fill up my little, my favourite syringe. Let's just get rid of all this dead silicone because it's all dried. Just get rid of that because it's all dried up. Now, what did I do with my, I think one of the cats, oh it's here, look, I just blame the cat. Which is normally, they do normally pinch things. Especially flowers and leaves. I'm just going to fill that up. I've got another one over there ready. But I think this will be enough for what we need at the moment. Yeah, there's plenty in there. Push it down. There's a little blockage in there. Let's get rid of that. If you find you're pushing and it's coming back, that means that there's a solid mass and it won't causes like a vacuum. I think mine's okay, but I think there is something there. There we are. Right, there's still a little bit left in there that I will get out at some point. Right, so that's the largest one, so we're going to do exactly the same. Oh, it's quite noisy. But going to offset it. This is how I did the wreath card. The Christmas one with the sparkle in the middle. And I'm going in with a small ball tool. Lift the leaves up. Put quite a bit of silicone in there. And then exactly the same again. See if you can see better. Because you want it to really stick up. Okay, this one. This one, going to offset it as well. So straight down. Small ball tool. That's going to move. So I'm just going to hold it a little bit. Just move it round. And in. And it'll be exactly the same for this one. Just going to lift the little petals up a little bit. Like that. Just give it a little push. Silicone in. Let's see, is that going to fit in there quite nicely? Just give it a push from the top. Just not really offset, that's better. And with the smaller teeny weeny, that's moved. Just move it round a little bit. I'm going to actually take that out. Pop it in again. There. I'm not going to put it down. I'm just going to hold it. It always wants to do its own thing when you put it in. It's the way that the silicone makes it go. But that's okay because you want it to stick up like that. I've got a bit on me. So just make it stick up like that. It's not really offset, I think that'd be alright. Just push it down. You want it to raise the ceiling as much as possible. When I did the reef one, I did it in 2 different colours, but this one, just for showing you, I've just done it in 1 colour. And then we're just going to put the little gem, it's just a little blue gem, which is stuck to the pot, so I hope I can get it off. Right, literally the tiniest little bit of silicone in the bottom. Let's put the lid back on now. Where did that come from? Right, this is where you find it. Right, it's still got a sticky on the end, but I'm not worried about that. Literally pop it in. And that, let's get the white sheet so you can see it better. That is the Poinsettia one, which is that one. That's the one that I did earlier. And the next one we're going to do is, you just turn around and get it, it's going to be the clematis one. So I'm just going to pop that out the way for 2 seconds. And this is the clematis one. And we're going to do it in black and white. And this is a proper sticky up one. Okay, so that's the next one. I hope everybody enjoyed the Poinsettia one. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.